guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is very exciting. I have Cassidy here with me.
Hey guys.
It's been so long since we filmed together and we're doing a mukbang. Mukbang.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm an amateur to this. Like Cassidy knows everything. Like she watches.
I watch them all the time.
So yeah, I probably won't finish all this, but
We'll try. Yeah.
So we're gonna spill the tea today and attempt to eat all this.
Yeah.
So if you want to watch us stuff our faces, then just keep on watching.
We got Taco Bell, by the way.
Yes.
We got a lot of stuff here. We have some Mexican pizzas, burritos.
We have
tacos.
the this is non-sponsored, but you know, if you want to, it's fine too. This is the
box.
The box.
The Delight box.
And
then Cinnabons, of course. Those are just
and then the cinnamon twist. I've never tried one, so
and then we have our Starburst freezes right here. It's a new one, so it's super good.
And of course, the famous Mexican pizza. So let's just get started. Oh my gosh.
What are you gonna start with?
Well,
let's just start with a taco. You ready?
I love fake meat.
Okay. I see you, Taco Bell.
You know, it's been a minute, but like I'm glad I'm back. Like,
Alright, so pretty much we have this friend.
so like her name is and trying to get demonetized.
Okay, on the real though. How are we gonna get into this?
Where are we gonna start?
So pretty much we met freshman year?
Yeah,
freshman year. And we knew of each other, I'm pretty sure, but like
hold up. This is where all comes out. In 8th grade, I thought you were that brandy, but like I feel like I was like I gotta stay away.
And the story goes down that she was at the football field and we walked down and we saw her. And how did we even talk to you, like randomly?
And because so like other people were there that like we like knew, like we both had like intermingled friends. Yeah, so basically when all of my friends left, like I was just there with the two of them, so I'm like,
oh yeah,
like, so I mean, like at first I was like awkward, like, oh, like am I just supposed to leave because I don't know these people? But then we started talking, and then we went to go hang out in our like little town, and then we slept over, and then we slept over again, and then
oh yeah, so that's pretty much how it continued. Me and Madison were actually like we're still best friends obviously, but we were like it was like just us really. Like we had our other friends, but we were like the two closest ones like for a long time. And so we like, you know, we went to Hawaii together. We like did a lot of stuff together, so that was fun.
Side note, I'm gonna go into the burrito now. I mean, Cassie's a little slow.
I just finished my taco. One of these don't have sour cream, and I'm like freaking out because I hate sour cream.
It's good. Oh, well, good thing I got in there.
And what do they, oh wait, you see that white stuff, or is that cheese?
But anyways, I mean, I believe we're still gonna be friends after high school.
Definitely.
Other people have mentioned that like, oh, like since I'll be like far away, like I'm not going to like talk to you guys as much. But like that's like quite impossible because I'll be visiting like a lot. So I mean,
yeah, like Madison's like probably one of my like realest friends. Not probably, like she is. So real Tina shit again. But anyways, so I know like, yeah, we're gonna be friends. Like, cinnamony.
it's very light.
It's like air.
Cassie is the girl in our group that like people just like to pick on. I mean, like I don't pick on her. I mean, like at least I don't try to. I mean, we have our moments, but like every best
But that's
friend,
just like little arguments. Like it's not
like we're ending our friendship. But like I don't know. She has like bad luck when it comes to friends. My role is like the
middleman.
I feel like I'm the sheriff. I'm like, okay, like, you know, don't fight, like it's okay, I'm in the middle. But then that gets very difficult at some points because you know what, like it's hard to get both sides.
Because then sometimes I'll be like, oh, maybe Madison like is on her side, you know, and then it'll just make me feel worse. But it's like really Madison just stays very neutral. But you know.
Oh gosh. Oh my.
I don't know what college you're going to. I mean, they follow you on Instagram.
Yeah. But like, if you guys follow me on Instagram, if you want to like decode whatever I'm going to, like, I don't care. But like, just don't be off in my business. I mean, all 961 of you out there, I don't think you will be, but
clearly. Can you just drink your drink? You give me anxiety. Thank you.
Okay, you know, like the square cheese. I can literally see the square of cheese like barely melting. I really want to dig into that burrito.
That's what a lot of people do. If you know you're not going to finish, kind of try everything. So
I'm gonna take a break
from the box. Move on. Let's show them. Yeah, we should have showed. That's kind of what mukbang is doing.
Whoops. Alright, I wasn't expecting it to look like this. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know.
It's literally just a Mexican pizza. There's like beans in between and all that.
Oh my gosh.
Real quick, I'll show you. This was a burrito. If you can see that.
This is thick.
She's thick.
Honestly, I'm just not really a big fan of these. I think it's because of the sauce or like the whatever it is.
It's like a little too much bean too.
I've been reaching for this cinnamon delights more than the twist. So I mean, if you're trying to choose, I go with the delights.
Definitely the delights, yeah.
But like
these are good as just like a little
snack. Yeah, but I think these are like really rich. So if you're gonna go, like, try and get like 4 or 2 because they're like. I wish you guys were more active. I wish you guys would leave comments, like, talking
all the
to me.
time. Yeah.
It's only my friends that do that. Because, like, I like when you leave comments. I'm just like, oh my gosh. Like, they actually like,
come on. And Madison will reply to everything.
Yeah, I literally don't have a lot of subscribers, so I'm not going to, like, ignore you. Like, oh, I have too many people. Like, literally, if you comment, I will acknowledge it and or respond. So if you just want to say what's up, I will literally reply within the minute. And also, like, I've always wanted to do like a Q&A, but like it's hard for people to, you know, actually ask questions. So that's why I haven't done one. So if you guys want to see one, then, you know,
make sure you comment down below.
Yeah. If you like juniors or like whatever grade you're in, if you know you want to go to a community college, like that's perfectly okay. But like we were just discussing how like it's good to also apply to like other colleges because like you never know. Like I was gonna go to community college and then my counselor like and my dad basically forced me to like apply places, and I'm glad they did because like so much changed within like that 3 months where like my mindset changed.
And me, I had like no hope, like, oh, I'm not gonna get in anywhere, so I'm not even gonna apply, so I didn't. And so no matter what, now I have to go to community college. But we have around the same GPA, and like I could have easily gotten in too, so
the same school.
It kind of sucks, but
you know what? It's a learning lesson. Mukbang. Okay, yeah. So like people almost finishing like all their food is like crazy to think about because I can't even finish like this.
Like simple stuff. People make like large meals. Like that's what mukbangs pretty much is. Like.
But I'm just like basically done. And the next time we do this, we're gonna do somewhere else.
Yeah.
So
this will be the start of
a new channel series. So if you guys have made it this far, give this video a thumbs up.
Make sure you subscribe down below.
And hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I make a video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you want to see another video with Cassidy, then leave a comment down below or give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.